Greetings, everybody. Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope you are having a good day. Where y'all been? I feel like I missed you. I haven't seen you all day. Oh my goodness. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and I had a busy day. Let's get some cards going and pull some energy to see what's going on, y'all. I think I'm gonna make this quick. I feel like I have on a hat with it zipped to the side. I'm kind of feeling my little red wrap today. Okay, actually we're gonna start with some Chakra Wisdom Oracle cards and see what's going on. What's going on, you boy? What we got going on today? So, I guess y'all didn't need to see me, huh? I felt like seeing y'all today. Service. First card out. And forgiveness. Forgiveness is important. Being of service is also important. In this picture, you see a woman tending to an older woman. Not sure if this is her relative or if she's just being of service, right? You can be of service to someone that you know or someone that you don't know. But it is good to be of service. Hold on. Okay, I'm ready. I did some rearranging yesterday, so I needed to get my crystals. I have some crystals in front of me, but I was feeling, I usually have more crystals around me, so I was feeling a void, I think. Okay, what else do we need to know? Mother, Father, Creator, Most High, right? What else does the collective need to know for today? Expansion. I love that. And this looks like a very spiritual card. And remember that forgiveness isn't for the other person. It is for you to be able to let go, relax, relate, release, and let go of any energy that does not serve a good purpose in your life or the life of those you are here to help. Okay, what else do we need to know? It helps you stay light. It helps you stay free because your thoughts can control your life. And that's not really what you want. Passion is what you want. Enlightenment is what you want. Let's see if we can get one more. Let's get one more. One more of the Chakra Wisdom. Oh, quest. So we are on a quest for enlightenment. All right, I love it. I love it. I am loving it. Let's read some tarot. See what is going on. So we're going to be of service. We're going to forgive. We're going to expand. We're going to have passion. And the passion, so passion and service, those are in both orange. So it's kind of in the same mindset to help people and be of service to people. As well as quest and expansion. Up. Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. The Star card when I split it. Okay. Alright, so this is basically going to be what comes up, comes out. Go ahead and cut them. You need to cut it. Oh, 10 of Cups. It came out sideways. You are loved and supported. You have great relationships. You're emotionally and spiritually fulfilled. And you're going to have a creative finale. You have happiness and joy in your life. This is also Representative of relationships, family, stability, good home, emotionally balanced, using your intuition, um, ending one cycle so a new cycle can begin. Um, yeah, because tens are completion. So you completed a cycle so that you can start anew, so you can start fresh, right? Let's see the Chariot moving forward. Yes! The Page of Wands, some good news. The Hierophant, man, what? Oh my goodness. Following rules, you may be traditional. Um, um, I think of the Hierophant as the marriage card too. There are other readers who also consider it a marriage card. Um, remember, fives are change. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, so the Hierophant, it could represent marriage. It's also someone who's godly or very spiritual, spiritually elevated. Um, Someone who follows the rules, or another way to say that is someone who's righteous. Someone who's willing to conform. And that can be a good thing. But then again, maybe somebody's getting married. Okay, what else do we need to know? What else does the collective need to know? This reading is on fire. It's on fire, burning up. My love is like burning up. The Tower in reverse. I like to think of the Tower card as change, and change is good in my mind. This is someone who's gaining insight. They're untethered from falsehoods, reevaluating old beliefs, and finding new truths. So this Tower in the reverse is definitely a good card. It's good to look at things from another perspective, right? And not just follow the same old norms, or repeat the same cycles that have been repeated over and over again. What else? This reading is on fire. Baby, come and rescue me. What else does the collective need to know on tonight? What is going on with this reading? What's going on in the universe? Oh, Nine of Cups came up in the reverse, which is fine. This could be some type of self-serving and unfulfilled relationship, someone who's discontented, dissatisfied, and considered a bad host. Cups, remember, this is emotional energy. So instead of filling up the cups are just spilling over because it's in the reverse. So in the upright, I like to say that all the cups are full and abundant, but in reverse, it's like everything is spilling out. So this could be somebody who needs to balance out their emotions and start using their intuition. But it could be about to come to an end, and this could be your energy or the energy of someone around you. But overall, this is a great reading. Okay, can we please clarify the Tower in reverse? Let's clarify the Tower in reverse, please. Can we please clarify the Tower in reverse? The Death card in the reverse. There's someone who may be negative, refusing to let go, afraid to change, don't want something to come to an end. And it could also be somebody who's glad about an ending. So it really depends on the person. Can we clarify the... Okay, I was about to say, can we clarify the Knight of Cups in the reverse. And we have the Eight of Wands out here. Moving forward. Developing quickly. Fast acceleration. Remember, wands are fast energy. Not as fast as swords, but it's still fast. A goal is near. Act now. Be unrestricted. Go with the flow. Somebody may be traveling quickly, fast. Understand your boundaries so that you can advance, right? And rise above them. Again, this is fast forward moving energy. Somebody taking action. Somebody ambitious. And what else? What else? This is a great reading. I love it. What else do we need to know? Can we clarify the Death card in the reverse? What's going on with the Death card in the reverse, please? Death card in the reverse. Justice in the reverse. Somebody's dishonest. There's some type of injustice here. Somebody doesn't want to be accountable. A false sense of equality. Somebody's not being fair. Somebody's being one-sided, has a one-sided bias. Can we clarify the justice in the reverse? Clarify justice in the reverse, please. Ooh. Got the Moon card in reverse, but I'm not going to take it because a lot of cards came out. Let's see. Seven of Pentacles. Feeling like you're working towards something and it's not growing as fast as you would like it to. So you're putting in the time and the effort. And you are reaping the rewards. But, you know, a garden takes time to grow, right? So you don't have to stand there and watch it, but you should be patient. Just create a long-term strategy and a solid investment strategy. Yes, there will be personal challenges, but be accountable and responsible because this will be a pivotal moment once it changes. This could be something materialistic that you're working towards. It could represent your worldly possessions, your work, your health. But overall, it's a good card. All right, what's the final message? Five of Pentacles. Somebody feels left out in the cold. Somebody feels spiritually bankrupt and in despair, like an outcast. Somebody may have poor health. They've experienced some type of material or financial loss, or maybe experiencing poverty. Or somebody could just have been faced with a painful reality. Somebody may have gotten a reality check. There may be some instability or insecurity, them feeling a sense of loss. Or like they have to run behind somebody or keep up with somebody. So, so I feel like maybe you're in this good energy and somebody on the outside looking in feels like they lost out on an opportunity with you. And like you left them out in the cold. Yeah. Anything else? Is there anything else that the collective needs to know? Does the collective... And fives are change. Fives are change. You know, Pentacles represent stability, finances. Does the collective need to know anything else? We have the Eight of Swords in the reverse. Somebody needs to let go of damaging or negative thinking or limiting beliefs. This person is starting to feel a little less insecure, but they're still holding on to some insecurities here. And you got to learn how to set boundaries so you can let go and move on. Have good communication. Have good mental clarity, because remember, swords is mental. So somebody's all in their head like, whoa. Can we clarify the Eight of Swords in the reverse, please? Clarify the Eight of Swords in the reverse. Queen of Pentacles. You or somebody around you is very down to earth, though. Practical, resourceful, have that mothering energy, male or female, because men can be nurturing as well. Someone who likes to be home or is a homebody, but also likes to travel. You know, it could be somebody who likes both. They'll stay home if they don't have any place to go, but they'll catch a flight if they need to at this, you know, at the drop of a dime. And there's someone who likes to be out in nature, so the beach, nature walks on trails, going camping, all these different things. Yeah, somebody's very resourceful, though. Mature. Again, this could be male or female because it is energy. Someone who's giving, who's supportive, and who's accessible, willing to give service, right? And give service with passion. And who's ready to expand and move forward quickly, right? Who's on a quest for enlightenment. Okay? This is great. Moving forward. Very ambitious, driven, confident about success, in control. Has a specific direction or path. Very self-disciplined. Focused. Has fresh, innovative ideas. Very enthusiastic and inspired. Ready to explore. Start a new project. Go in a new direction. Fast. Right? This is great. This is great, 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 great. All right, y'all. I hope that that was helpful. Until next time, I love y'all. Mwah. Later.